Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Luffy's skull from One Piece. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the brim of the hat. Let's draw a line across. And then another one underneath. Now let's close off each of the ends with a curve. Now from the left, let's hop in and let's draw a circular curve up and bring it down. And let's do the same thing underneath. Now let's hop inside the bottom section and let's draw the face. Let's start with two large circles for the eyes. And let's color these both in black. Now underneath in the center, let's draw a sideways oval. And color it in black as well. And that's it for the face. Now we're going to hop to the top section and we're going to draw the hat. In the top section, let's draw a line across. Then on top, let's draw 3 curves on the left side. And then 2 on the right. And that's it for the hat. Now let's move down and let's draw the mouth. Underneath on both sides, let's draw a curve down and bring it in at the bottom. And then let's close it off with a curve across. Now let's hop inside and let's draw another curve across the center. And then inside the top section, let's draw another curve across. And then let's add a line down in the center. And one more on each side. And that's it for the head. Now let's add the pieces of bone going out from the corners. Let's start on the top left and let's draw an angle up. And then another one on top. And let's do the same thing on the right side. Now at the ends, let's draw a curve out from both sides and bring it down, meeting in the center. And again, the same thing on the right. Now let's hop down and let's do the same thing at the bottom. Let's draw 2 angles down and out on the left. And the same thing on the right side. And then close it off at the end with 2 bumps again. And that's it for Luffy's skull. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!